Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video I have some amazing Amazon deals to share with you. They are Black Friday deals. We got promo code deals, coupon deals, and good old discounts for Black Friday. All Amazon deals in this video, and they will all be linked in the description down below. A lot of our Amazon brand products. We're going to save the big boy brand names like your DeWalt's and Gear Wrench for either later tonight, by the way, happy Thanksgiving, or on Black Friday itself. So the first deal I want to share with you is the 2-pack of motion sensor 4-foot LED shop lights. They are 40 watts, 4,000 lumens by Leon Light, and they are 42% off in addition to the Black Friday price. So what I really like about these is your typical LED shop lights, but they're also motion censored. And yes, this is a 2-pack. Really love the motion sensor. We'll get into that in 1 second. The Black Friday price is $51.89, so about $25 a piece. But we have a 42% promo code, so you're almost going to cut that in half. Let's say you're at about $30, $15 a light. There's your promo code there that you'll add at checkout. It's supposed to go through December 8th. Of course, we know that promo codes get killed early, so we can't trust it to last that long. It will apply to multiple quantities, so if you need more than 2, you can absolutely do that. And I'll tell you my use. I actually purchased these for myself for what it's worth. By the way, they are ETL certified. I have a garage door opener that doesn't have a light on it, so at night when you pull into the garage, it's pitch black as soon as you turn off your car. You can't see anything. It's kind of annoying and stupid. I've been leaving the car running until I could walk over to the light switch, turn on the lights, then come back and turn it off. And I decided I'm going to put these in place, and that way hopefully when I pull into the garage, boom, lights come on, and it just works out a little better. Next deal. Car Code Reader OBD2 Scanner Diagnostic Tool. This is by VDAG Check Engine Code Reader. So kind of the middle porch guy does your smog check and your battery. Of course, it can read all your codes. Not bi-directional or anything, we're not super fancy with this one, but a good one to throw in the glove box, get the basics. That light turns on. Maybe you're selling your vehicle, you gotta turn it off before they want to come test drive it. Your Black Friday price is $24.34, so we just have a discount there. No promo code or coupon, just a nice little discount on, I'd say, a mid-range OBD2 scanner. Portable fuel transfer pump, easy to use hand fuel pump, battery powered siphon pump. This is by Bowl Cow. It is 40% off. I have one that looks very similar, although mine's a different brand. I think I have 4 of these that I have bought now. It's going to be $23.74 as a Black Friday price, but we have a 40% promo code. It's supposed to go through the end of the year. It's not going to. There's your promo code there. It does work on multiple quantities, so we get to take 40% off. Be real close to about $14 on this guy. We have seen him maybe a couple of dollars cheaper in the past, but I really love this. You stick this stick down into your gas can. There's a switch on top here. Your battery's going here. It's either 2 D batteries or 6 AA's. I run mine on 6 AA's. That's what these little cartridges here are. And you flip the little switch, you got the little handle here, and it just pours out. Really, really handy. Those 5-gallon gas can, it's 40 pounds or so. And like with the tractor, I got to lift it up to my chest, which trying to pour 40 pounds like that, you're wrestling around with it, sloshing all over the place. This makes it super easy. You don't got to even pick up the can, drop that thing in there, pull the trigger, and you're just flowing fuel. I've had mine for a couple of months now, been using it quite a bit. And I got a gas one. I use a separate one for the diesel. So I really like it. Electric vacuum suction cup for glass, 440-pound lifter, digital display, 8-hour battery. This is by MTNTE. Look at this guy. So a little rechargeable suction cup guy for your glass and tile and such. Now, it's kind of an interesting deal. It's normally about $100, and then for Black Friday, we bring it down to $55.96. But when you add the item to your cart, there's a 20% discount at checkout. So you don't need a promo code. You don't need to click the coupon. You go to the checkout screen, you will automatically see that discount. However, if you change your quantity to 2 and you are buying 2 of them, your discount goes from 20 to 30%. And this is something that you would likely want 2 of. Don't necessarily have to have two, but it would be easier on larger pieces. You put two of these on there and you're grabbing with both hands. So you can save 30% if you want to go with two. Next up, the collapsible wagon cart. Foldable beach wagon, all-terrain wheels, 380 pounds, can almost hold a bear. Heavy duty by In Brave. Prices on these have really collapsed, which is obviously good for the consumer. I bought mine a couple of years ago. I paid about $100. Look at this Black Friday price, $29.99. No promo code, no coupon, just temporary Black Friday price, $29.99. Really love these guys. You know what's good for me? Going to flea markets, loading up on some of that cool vintage stuff at the flea market, and I just dump it all in the wagon. And it even has little pop holders for you, or for me, a sweet tea. Put my sweet tea in there. Load up all my finds, don't gotta carry them, you just walk them around with my little wagon. Collapses, can easily put it up in the back of the truck. Really like that at $29.99. Here we have a 2-pack, 4 amp hour replacement. Don't worry about the 4 amp hour part. Replacement DeWalt batteries, charger combo, DCB 112 charger compatible. This is by Bat Tool, so these are your DeWalt compatible generic style batteries. And I have a couple of different ones that I'm going to show you here. That's why I said don't worry about the 4 amp hour. So this is the 2-pack of 4 amp hours with the charger combo. It's going to be $30.96. Even comes with the fuel gauge. I've had really good luck with the DeWalt compatible brands. Had a couple of their generic type batteries that have lasted a couple of years for me. So, it's a fraction of the price of what you would pay with actual DeWalt. Here you're getting a 2-pack of 8 amp hour batteries, and that one's only $39.09. So really even better deal than that top one. And then the last one that I want to show you is 9 amp hour batteries. Again, you're getting a 2-pack. This one's $73.09, not as good of a value. It would be good if you didn't know these other ones existed. So if the prices change or if they sell out, that one's available too as well. But that 8 amp hour really is the best deal of the three. And hopefully that price lasts a long time, because to get 2 of them for under $40. Next up, 6,000 lumen LED work light compatible with the DeWalt 20 volt max batteries. Look, you get that last one with the generic DeWalt batteries, and you get this. You own 0 DeWalt tools, and yet you are in DeWalt's lineup. It's an amazing thing. Cordless job site floodlight with USB-A charge ports by Huakayu. So you can see it slaps on your DeWalt batteries. You got the power switch there. It almost looks like one of the off-road lights that you can put on a truck or something. Got a little carry handle at the top. These are really nice little work lights, especially working like under a cabinet or something, because the battery works as the base to stand it up. It pivots on that bolt right there, and you can kind of aim it wherever you want. Really good underneath the car as well. By the way, the batteries are not included. You're just getting the light. So it's just $11.29 as a Black Friday price. No coupon, no promo code, just the Black Friday price. Little over $10. Get yourself a DeWalt light. Slap it on your batteries. Got the 2-pack of rechargeable hand warmers, 8,000 milliamp hour electric hand warmers, 2-second heating, 3 levels by JIJ, 50% off. Now, I mostly included this because one of the Black Friday ads, and now I don't remember which one, had a couple of hand warmers, and I believe they were $20. So if we look at this Black Friday price, it starts out at $19, but we have a 50% promo code. It's supposed to go through the end of the month, so it's going to be $9.49 for 2, so that's about $4.75 a piece. And it does work for multiple quantities. Nice little gift idea. Really like these guys. Throw it in your pocket. Out in the cold, shoveling that snow. Hey, we're supposed to get up to 10 inches of snow. Yeah, before December. I'm going to need my little hand warmers. One in my pocket, one in my pants. We're good to go. 135 amp MIG welder, 110 volt flux core welder. MIG, TIG, lift, stick, 3-in-1. Large LED. This is by Yes Welder. Been around for several years. Now this is normally about $150 thereabouts. So right now the Black Friday price is $94.99 for your 3-in-1 welder. It's a good known name brand. 25-in-1 precision screwdriver set, small screwdriver set, professional, magnetic, mini, repair tool by AXTH. 30% off. So a nice little cheap precision set. Comes with the case, comes with a million bits. You get your little precision driver guy, little bit holder style guy. Uh, perfect for little electronics and small screw stuff. You just got to have one of these around the house. Now the Black Friday price is $7.79, but we have a promo code that takes 30% off. Now that's supposed to go through 11/30. If this code here stops working for you, try this one. It also should take 30% off. So you got two chances to score an amazing deal on that, taking 1/3 off of $7.79. Got the 5,000 milliamp hour battery electric spin scrubber Q4. Not sure what that means. Handheld scrubber cleaning with display. Power disc scrubber by Kimido. 50% off. So this is a little handheld guy. Some of the other ones have the long extension on it. Getting a couple of replaceable batteries, it looks like, and several different types of heads. Love different types of head. It's going to be a Black Friday price of $28.49. However, we also have a 50% promo code. So we're stacking that Black Friday with the promo code. It's only going to be $14 going through December 1st. Does work on multiple quantities. If you wanted more than one, but $14, your little rechargeable guy. It's a nice little Christmas gift for the wife. Can do some cleaning for you. 2-pack portable LED work light, hanging hook and magnetic flashlight, battery operated cob pocket work light is by Torch Star, kind of like that name. 34% off. So the 2-pack here, you got magnets on the back. There's a little hook there. It's really hard to see in the picture, but there's a hook bolted in there. And then, of course, you got the light on the front. Looks like we even have some magnets on the bottom, unless that is just a pivot point, which it kind of looks like it is. And it's just turned sideways. But you are getting a 2-pack, two of those lights. It's going to be $15, $17, 34% off. It's going to take about $5 off. You're going to pay $10 for the two or $5 each. Got your promo code there that's supposed to go through the 8th, and it will work on multiple quantities if you want more than one. Nice little work lights there. Got a tire inflator. Now, I included this one because, again, one of the Black Friday ads that we looked at had some tire inflators that I thought were a little overpriced, so I wanted to show you what is more in line of what I expect out of these guys. The portable air compressor, 150 psi cordless air pump for your car, tires, bike, and your balls, in case you got to inflate your balls. Got deflated balls, that's no fun. 50% off. So a nice little rechargeable guy. Screws in there. You got the lever style chuck, I guess you would call it. And a couple of different adapters for your inflatables, like your girlfriend. Black Friday price of $21.99, but we have a 50% promo code. Supposed to go through the 30th. It's going to make it, what, $10.49 or so? $11? Something like that. Here we have a heat gun. Dual protection fuses, 1800 watt, heavy duty air gun, two temperature settings, 572 or 1112 by Max Heat. So you can put it on high, put it on low, corded. I actually like the corded ones. We talked about the DeWalt cordless one before. It eats through batteries super fast. It doesn't get as hot, and it also doesn't have a very good fan on it because it's battery operated, and it can't get hot like a plug-in one. So we haven't gotten to the age of cordless heat guns as far as I'm concerned. Got to stick with the cord for now. It's only going to be $15.39. That is your Black Friday price. $15.39 for a brand new heat gun. Max Heat. We know it because it's right in the name. Now, I wanted to show you these Black Friday deals from Mossy Oak. We got a whole page of deals from them, and we're going to do several of these brand pages as Black Friday actually comes up. Like, I'm going to be posting all day. I'm going to try and get some videos out to you guys as time allows. We'll do some individual product videos. We'll also do deal videos similar to this one, but we'll see brand pages and we'll see individual pages like we've seen so far in this video. So keep an eye out for it. Now here's all Mossy Oak stuff. We'll kind of just touch base super quick. You got the D2 steel blade with the G10 handle. It's like a plastic resin handle. Black Friday price of $19.99. Here you got the chef knife at $15.99. Even comes with the sheath. Got a Serbian chef knife. $20.89 on that one. The meat cleaver, $18.99. Gotta love the cleavers. Hey, I heard one of the guys from Leave It to Beaver died, but it wasn't anyone you would actually know. Apparently, it was like a background person that was in the classroom. But I think Theodore is the beef is the only one of the cast left alive. $12.99 fishing shears. And then after you use your fishing shears, you can use your fillet knife for $9.99. And this is my favorite of the bunch, 11.5-inch machete. I got some machete work I could do. Down to $9.99 for a Black Friday price on that. So we'll just have this brand page linked down below. And then one more knife deal for you. We have the folding pocket knife with clip, 3.94-inch sharp blade, outdoor survival camping collection, aluminum handle by Willie Hang. It's a good question. 50% off. So a little folding knife there. Now, I don't know the brand, don't know much about it. $39.99 seems a little steep, but it's hard to tell. Maybe they make super amazing knives. Unfamiliar, not sure. But once we get 50% off, pretty comfortable with that now at $19.99. Supposed to go through February 1st. You know that's not happening. But about $20 for the Willie Hang knife. So that's it, guys, for this round of amazing deals. Wanted to get this out to you on Thanksgiving here. It is 3 a.m. I am ready to go to bed. This had to get done before bed, and now I can go to bed. Actually, you know what? I got to put the list together. I still got to make the thumbnail. I still got to do the description. I'll be to bed by 4 a.m. And then guess what we get to do? We're going to look up some minty fresh deals. We're going to see what other Black Friday ads have come out. We're going to get videos done on that. We got all sorts of stuff. And then we're going to work in watching the Lions beat the Packers. We're going to watch the Chiefs beat... Are they playing the Cowboys? I can't remember. Anyway, got some football coming up. Gonna sneak in some turkey and some amazing deals. So thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe if you're a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.